right now we're gonna do a burping contest. I need my Coke, but Connor doesn't need anything. So, yeah, let's do this.
Alright, you go first.
I go first. I gotta drink first. It's gonna take a while.
Connor, you go first.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Your turn.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I can't burp if I'm laughing.
Okay, go.
There was nothing.
Come on, Connor. Oh, holy shit.
I think I just threw up in my mouth.
I got one.
I think I'm throwing up.
Stop it! I can't. It's my turn.
Stop making me laugh. I'm moving. Holy shit. Connor, come on, keep going.
I can't. I almost threw up. Good job. Who wins?
I don't know. Looks like Lisa might have to.
Yeah. What are you?
Oh my god. That was weak, Connor.
You're weak. My stomach's gonna blow.
Oh my god, your face.
I can't swallow anymore.
Come on.
I can't.
Can you open your eyes next time? Not close.
You sound like you're throwing up. Oh my god.
That was like an airy one.
That was wet.
Are you guys done?
Yeah.
No.
I win.
Let's see if Lisa can top that one.
I don't know.
Oh. Oh, shut up. It's my turn.
I'm still going.
Go, Lisa.
Yeah.
Ew, water came up.
Yeah, I almost threw up. You know.
Gross. Okay, one more time.
One more.
One more.
Try it with Coke, Connor.
No way.
Come on.
It makes it worse.
Yeah, do it.
No.
Just drink it. Oh my god.
Totally backwash,
Yeah, he did.
didn't it?
Wow.
That was crappy.
I know. Hey, Ginger.
You guys done now?
Oh, one more.
Oh god, I'm
The
done.
finale, and I'm gonna poo.
Make sure you say bye when you're done. Fuck.
Makes weird noises. It's my throat, you know that?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.